Meaning of hoopla.
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 Hoopla. The word hoopla is a noun that refers to a commotion or a fuss, often in an extravagant and exaggerated manner. It can also describe a showy or pretentious display aimed at attracting attention or creating excitement. The term can be used in both positive and negative contexts, with some people seeing hoopla as a fun and exciting way to celebrate or promote something, while others may view it as empty or shallow hype. Overall, the word hoopla implies a sense of spectacle and attention-grabbing behavior that is often associated with show business or marketing.